AEDs, while easy to use, require ongoing management and maintenance. In addition to interpreting dozens of heart rhythms and delivering shocks, Stryker AEDs perform internal self-checks to ensure readiness. This readiness indicator, however, it's not enough to confirm the AED is ready. This is why it's important for you to conduct regular inspections. Let's walk through a quick 5-step process on checking your LifePak CR+. Step 1. Visually check the device. If it's in a case, remove it from the case. Check for any obvious damage or missing parts. Note whether or not the readiness indicator is showing OK on the screen. Step 2. Check the battery. The battery is located on the side and you will not be able to see the expiration date. Do not remove the battery from the AED. Instead, look on your AED check tag for the expiration date of the battery to ensure it has not expired. If the expiration date is approaching, it's a good idea to order a replacement now. Step 3. Check the pads. Inspect the pads to ensure they are still sealed in the package. Next, look for the expiration date on the pads. If you have extra pads or pediatric pads for your unit, ensure to check that too. Step 4. Inspect any accessory equipment. Ensure you have an emergency response kit with your AED. These kits typically include a towel, razor, CPR face shield, scissors, and gloves. Step 5. Check the integrity and security of your AED cabinet. If your cabinet has an alarm, this is a good time to trigger it and ensure it sounds. If it does not sound, it might be time to change the batteries. You can find the right batteries to use and the replacement instructions in your cabinet manual. Lastly, check that the door can easily open and isn't obstructed by nearby doors or other items. Once you've completed these 5 steps, indicate your findings on your AED check tag and note the month and day you completed the check. If you need to purchase new pads or batteries for your AED, consider also purchasing a new check tag. You can indicate the new expiration dates for these items on the tag for quick reference. If you see something wrong with your AED or are concerned it may not respond in the event of an emergency, contact us and one of our specialists will help you determine the next steps. These inspections should only take a few minutes and are crucial in making sure that the AED meets the manufacturer's requirement and is ready in the event of an emergency. If you have multiple AEDs on site or a number of business locations with an AED, you may find peace of mind with our proprietary AED compliance management service called LifeShield. LifeShield helps you digitally keep track of your AEDs and manage their expiration dates and readiness levels. It also provides medical oversight and keeps you up to date on new local and state AED legislation so you can ensure to stay compliant. You can learn more about LifeShield by chatting with one of our specialists or visiting our website, www.aed.com/lifeshield.